How's it going, everybody? Danny Bullock here again, Dream Builder Financial Services. And Labor Day is upon us, and for most people, that marks the end of summer. Did you know the average American spends more money during the summertime than any other season? Sometimes the summer expenses can hinder your progress towards your financial goals. So here are some basic things that you can do to get you back on track financially and ensure you end your year on a high note. First, you want to review your monthly budget. This is simple. You want to just have a detailed list of all the income you have coming in and all the expenses you have going out, and then look for areas that you can start to cut back on. Probably like that summer food budget now that your children are back in school. Next, you're going to want to check your credit report. Life gets busy during the summer months with vacations and activities every day. It's very easy to forget your financial accounts. While you may be taking a break for the summer, scammers are not. Be sure to thoroughly check your credit report to make sure everything is in order. Additionally, it's also a good time to review your asset allocation. We're entering the final quarter of the year, so right now is a great time to look at your investment lineup to make sure it's still on target to hit your year-end goals. Finally, you want to start thinking about your holiday budget. You'll need to plan for the extra expenses, like traveling for Thanksgiving, gift buying for Christmas, or if you're going to do something special over New Year's. Trust me, this will set you up for financial success in the long run. Following these steps will get you headed in the right direction and will most certainly help you finish the year off strongly. As always, if you want to talk about some of the things that you have going on, I'd love to meet you. Click the link below. Let's set a time to talk.